Hello Athene community. In this video, I will guide you on how to deposit P to Athene P2P. On the home page, click on the wallet icon, then click on Deposit. In the Choose Token to Deposit section, select P. Then click on Link P Account, and enter your P wallet address in the P wallet address field. Once the screen displays Connect P Address Success, it means you have successfully linked your P address. After that, go back to Deposit and copy the P2P wallet address. Then go to your P wallet and transfer P to the address you just copied. Remember to copy the transaction hash and paste it into the TX hash field in P2P. When you see the message, Deposit Order Created Successfully, it means you have completed the order. To check your balance, click on the wallet icon again, and your balance will appear under P. Note that it may take a few minutes for the system to update your account. Please be patient, then reload the page and check your balance. These are the steps to deposit P to P2P. Now I will guide you how to withdraw Picoin. On the home page, click on the wallet icon. Then select Withdraw. Choose P in the Choose Token to Withdraw field. Enter the amount of P you want to withdraw in the Quantity field. Then, enter your P wallet address in the P mainnet wallet address field. Click Continue, and enter the authenticator code. Once the screen displays Withdrawal Order Created Successfully, it means you have successfully withdrawn P. You can then check your transaction history in the History section. This is how to withdraw P from Athene P2P to your P mainnet wallet.